The thawing is the biggest thing. If you did notice that the oil level came up, spilled out, and ignited when you saw the flames coming out of the pot, that was because of the water in the oil basically displacing it and pushing it out. Most important thing that we have right now is clearance. We are more than 10 feet away from the building. We ask everybody to do that at home as well, 10 feet away from the structure on a level surface so that the pot does not tip over, making sure that the surface itself is not combustible, so you wouldn't want to do this on a wood deck or a platform or anything like that. Just on solid ground out in the yard is the best spot for that. Using a propane burner, we have this heated up to the maximum cooking temperature, which is about 350 degrees. And we're more concerned about splattering, burns, and obviously ignition of the oil to the structures and surrounding property.
People think, you know what, I'll just open my garage door and stand in the front of my garage. And what you saw with this demonstration was, while it was not an over-dramatic amount of flame, if you do that in an area where you have combustible materials, it becomes a problem.